Waduh, siap-siap mau cruise ke Alaska. Ya, udah dari Seattle, kita mau ke Alaska seminggu. This is our cruise. Heaven Lounge, exclusive to the Heaven residence. Everything looks brand new because the ship has just finished building on April 2018, and right now it's only June, so it's only finished about 2 months ago. The bedroom. Excuse me. Ta-da! Oh yes, I can get used to this. Oh, and there's access to the balcony from the bedroom as well. Oh, ini attraction-nya ada Ocean Place, Aqua Park, Bliss Casino, nursery ini buat Ezu. Is that for mama? Ada fitness center, ada entourage skin club, ada hair salon, kids aqua park, ada laser tag. Wow. Lucu banget, di karpetnya ada ikan kecil-kecil. Jadi kalau kepalanya itu nunjukin front of the ship, and the tail actually shows the back of the ship. So it's really useful to get to know the layout of the ship, because you know which one is forward and which one is aft, so that you can navigate yourself much easier during the cruise. Hey guys, sekarang lagi mau breakfast. Had a good sleep yesterday night, even though it's very shaky in the plane. And right now we're gonna try the Heaven restaurant that is exclusive to the Heaven residence.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Welcome to the Heaven restaurant.
Thank you. Wow, udah dinginnya gila-gilaan. We're going to casino. Hari ini mau bar hopping. Because there are about 15 or 20 bars. And right beside it is a wine cellar. Look at the ambience.
Foto-foto dari luar kamar.
My drink looks awesome. Fitness center. So we're about to go to try the spa. So excited. Let's go. They're using all elements product for the spa. Spa place is huge. Oh, is this our? Oh, okay, yes. This is us. Okay. Oh, Pacific Ocean as our view. Just finished from the spa and it was really good. And 35 minutes. So quick. So good. So I just got back to our room. Dikasih cheese and crackers, and my favorite is chocolate dipped strawberries. Place your spot there. We're gonna go to the biggest racetrack on the ocean. Video arcade. Lagi belanja dulu di duty free di cruise. Ada jewelry, ada watches, ada electronics, and I'm just buying small gifts here. So Splash Academy is for 3 to 12 years old. To 2 years old. Ini baru buat itu. What is the hand sanitizer that is like basically everywhere on every corner of the ship? Thank you. Shake, shake. Going to go on that slide, which goes all the way here outside the ship and slide right down there. Pagi ini kita breakfast di The Haven. We're docked at June. Ini anak jadi duluan hari ini. Dingin. yummy pastries. Bubbles ranchers for today's breakfast. As always, very expected. Hey. Oh ya. Ini. Yummy beans. Yummy. Hop. Dining option. Semuanya banyak kan ya complimentary, jadi mau makan apapun di sini itu gratis sepuas-puasnya. Nah, ada juga yang bayar dining optionnya di sini. Itu tulis tuh. Kayak di sini namanya nggak pernah kelaparan, yang ada kekenyangan. We're trying the Manhattan dining room, which is a complimentary dining room. And salad, carrot cake. The menu is really exquisite, as I say. Yeah.
Masa puasa?
Ini meatball, enak banget sih. It's better than I expected. Ini udah acak-acakan, cuma enak banget. Specialty dining, teppanyaki. That's where we're gonna have dinner tonight. This is one of the specialty dining. Ocean blue. Wow. Rutinitas pagi, bikin kopi dulu di kamar. Makin nikmat kopinya. Setiap hari dikasih snack. Hari ini dikasih tuna mayo and ham and cheese. Terus ada tartlets. Sini cookiesnya tadi udah makan. Kita lagi masih docking di Skyway. Tadinya mau turun lagi, ternyata mager dan kapalnya lagi sepi, jadi kita jacuzzi dulu mumpung gak ada orang. Hi, so now I'm on my last day in the cruise ship. I've spent about 6 nights so far. Dan emang kalau misalkan kamu traveling sama anak-anak, I really recommend going on a cruise. It's really fun because everyone gets everything they need untuk adults and untuk kids, especially untuk Norwegian Bliss. Even they have one floor especially for kids. Ada yang dari 0 sampai umur 2 tahun dan dari 2 sampai 12 tahun. So, and after that there are also like teenagers lounge. So there's really activities for everyone of all age. Well, the tips and tricks that I can give, make sure that you always check the announcement. Every day they give out like this kind of newsletter. It's a daily newsletter. Jadi kasih tahu ada aktivitas, ada acara apa aja. Nih kayak misalkan kita kan turun di Junyo, terus ada shore excursion yang paling populernya apa, cara bookingnya. Ini highlight acara hari ini. Seru banget, dari anak kecil sampai orang dewasa tuh banyak banget. They have like highlights and everything to make sure that you don't miss the important activities, or there are like important notes such as custom declaration activities and stuff where you have to go meeting and you bring your passport and whatnot. And yeah, and make sure you check your voicemail, karena di voicemail juga biasa ada message yang ditinggalin sama butler masing-masing kamar. Jadi emang banyak sih actually remindernya supaya setiap orang ya they want to make sure that every single person gets the message. Plus, it's really helpful to download the application if they do have an application in a cruise. I really recommend that you download it because it's really helpful, karena even di application-nya itu bisa ada kayak messengernya atau ada teleponnya. So if you want to contact each other, it's much easier because sometimes the Wi-Fi on board, it gets really glitchy at times, especially in the middle of the ocean. And karena di setiap beberapa hari kita akan berhenti, dan begitu berhenti kan kita ada excursion. Make sure that you book ahead your excursion if you don't want to be disappointed. Karena excursionnya memang banyak banget, bisa ada about 20 to 30 excursions, and you have to pay attention about the meeting point. Itu biasanya tiketnya dikasih begitu naik on board, mereka langsung kasih excursionnya. Di situ tertulis jelas harus meeting pointnya di mana dan jam berapa. And whether or not you have to bring your passport, you have to really pay attention to that because we're gonna go across borders. Kalau sekarang aku antara Amerika sama Kanada, jadi in some ports I have to bring my passport, so you really need to pay attention on that. Ini enak banget, ternyata ada service port valet. Jadi kalau misalkan habis dari cruise naik flight selanjutnya, which I am going to from Seattle to LA, ini bisa check in dari cruise-nya, terus semua baggage-nya bisa diangkutin sama mereka. Itu semua gratis, cuman bayar airline baggage fee, tergantung airline masing-masing. Ini harga-harganya, first bag, second bag, and third bag. Hassle free, I like. And book ahead for activities. Penumpang pesiarnya sendiri itu banyak banget. Kalau full occupancy it's about 4,000 if I'm not mistaken. So you don't want to be, fighting with other people to get their bookings. And they do offer a lot of specialty dining, which is not complimentary in a cruise. I do recommend you to try because I tried 3 of them and I really did have a really great experience. But you have to make sure that you book ahead. You can use the app, or even before you go cruising, you make a booking through your agent. I'm staying at the Haven and I really recommend it because you get a special line for the queue for the restaurant, because the restaurant gets really busy during lunchtime, during dinner time. It was crazy busy, but in a Haven you get a special restaurant that is only available for the Haven guests. And so far the experience has been really amazing. The staff are really friendly and the facilities are really amazing, remarkable. I'm so happy with the experience so far. And if you haven't tried it, you should really book your cruise in Norwegian Bliss. Sampai ngeliatin air.